It's the Nothing Phone 2 and we finally have got something worth talking about. The release date. Yep, we've got the release date of the Nothing Phone 2 and it's just 2 months away in July. We do not have specifics, but the Phone 2 is just around the corner. We do have some confirmed specs of the device, so let's dive straight into it. Let's talk about battery. The battery life of the Phone 1 is quite great and might be even better on the Phone 2. As confirmed by Calpay, the Nothing Phone 2 is going to get a 4700 mAh battery instead of the 4500 on the Phone 1. I know this is just roughly a 5% increase, but it should translate into better battery life. For the chipset, as Calpay tweeted, an optimized Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. This is going to help with the aggressive pricing of the Nothing Phone 2. Since the 8 Gen 1 is last year's chip, it will cost significantly less, and for most users they might not be able to tell the difference between last year's chip and the 8 Gen 2 from this year. And in terms of performance, the 8 Gen 1 is still pretty good and handles any application or task thrown at it pretty well. Other expectations include 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Cameras. We've got something. According to rumors, the Nothing Phone 2 will sport a triple camera setup, a flagship 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS and a Formidable ultra-wide camera. Whether the last camera is going to be a periscope zoom camera is yet to be known, but we do know something. With the 8 Plus Gen 1, we will be getting 4K at 60 frames per second video capabilities and the option to shoot HDR RAW photos. The phone will measure 6.7 inches with a Full HD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Going with the impressive narrow bezels of the first device, we do know the Phone 2 will look sleek, probably even narrower. Nothing did drop a teaser early this month showing a blinking red light at the back of the phone with a caption Premium, suggesting the premium design language the Nothing Phone 2 will be going for. With Nothing's unique design, the company is really going after some of these flagship devices costing double its price, and honestly I can't wait to put it up with the best of the best once the Nothing Phone 2 is released. Let me know of your thoughts in the comment section below, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back when I find something new.